Okay, you guys, so I wanted to show you some of the stuff that I got on Amazon. I got a whole package of stuff that I want to show you guys. So yeah, so I got a ton of bathing suits, actually, like bikinis, and so I got a lot of bikinis and swimsuits, and I wanted to go through them. So I also got some clothing that did not fit, which I will be returning, but I wanted to go over the most of it. So the first one is this really cute blue one. This is what this one looks like. It's so pretty. It's such a bright, like, turquoise color, and the back is like that. This fits really well. I think I got this in a small. Actually, I think everything is a small. And it's really, really freaking cute. And this is what the bottoms are like. So they're just like that. And yeah, I feel like it looks a lot more like blue-ish on camera. It's definitely more of like a turquoise. I feel like it looks really blue, like a light blue on camera. So I got that, and I also got some sarongs, which I'm going to show more at the end. But next up, I got this really bright orange one, which I will not be wearing because I didn't think the bottoms were like how I'm going to show you guys. Let me try and figure this out. Okay, so this is the top portion. I feel like these look different. They're more, hold up. Okay, so that's more of the color. I just have lighting. The lighting helps. So yeah, this is what this one looks like. And the bottoms for this one, I like the front, I don't like the back. So this is what they're like. I like how it's adjustable here, that way it doesn't like sink in. Is that the word? I think so. To, you know, your body. Next up, I also got a black one. I don't love how this one fit. I feel like it looks kind of weird on. I don't know how to explain it. This one came with a scrunchie. It's just like really simple and black. I like the top. I just didn't like the bottom, and I'll show you guys why. So this is the top. Obviously these can move over like that. So it's just like a triangle kind of top. But the bottoms, I don't know what it is about them, but I just didn't like them. That's the back. It has ruching at the back, and then this is the front. I don't know what it is. I think it was the material. I don't know, but I feel like it doesn't really look that good on. So there's that. And next up, this is actually my favorite one because it fits really nicely. Although I feel like there has to be a better way of like tying it, just so I don't feel like it's about to fall off my body. So this is the top. It's really cute. It's like a different material. It's like this kind of like knit like material. I don't know how to explain it. It's really cute though. It's like suede-ish, and this is really pretty. I think they had a lot of different colors, but this is what this one looks like, and it's like kind of like tie-dye-ish pink and white. It's so pretty. And it just has this. So this is also a small. It says the S right there. And then the bottoms are also ruched, but this one fits good, unlike the black one, which is also ruched. So this is the front, and then that's the back. This one fits really nicely. I don't know what it is about it. I think it's probably just like the way they made it. I don't know. It came in a pack of 2. There was a black one and a white one. I really like the black one. So this is what this one looks like. And it's just a black sarong, and then there's the white one. It's definitely like see-through-ish. It's just like a kind of like a see-through cover up, that way your swimwear still shows. I'm going to show you guys some of the clothing, even though they did not fit. I just want to show you guys. So the first one is this blue one. This did fit me, but the way it fit, I just don't know if I love the way it fit on me. Like, I feel like it could be more flattering is what I'm trying to say, but it took me a while to tie it. I wish they came tied. So this is the front of it. It's a really pretty color. It's gorgeous. I feel like it looks way better on camera than it does in person. It's definitely more darker. Here, I'll turn off the light so you guys can see it, because that's more of the color, but the lighting is making it look super like bright. And then this is the back. It's just like tied, and this is how it goes on. I feel like this area though could be more flattering. It's just kind of like a cross, and it kind of looks weird. I feel like if it was like more of like a drape, it would be so much prettier. But that's that. I also got this top, which is very see-through, and it's definitely not cute, but if you guys want to check it out, I'll also have it linked. I feel like it's see-through-ish, and I don't like that, but if you guys could totally like find a way to wear it even though it is a little bit see-through, that would be nice. It is cute though. I love the color. I wanted a top like this that had like a little collar on it. I feel like I don't have anything like that. It is a little cropped though. It's not super cropped, but it's not like a long top, which I don't wear like long tops unless it's like, I'm either wearing like crop tops or like an oversized top. I feel like there's no in between. This really cute skirt. I already have something very similar to this that I actually got on PacSun, which was Brandy Melville. It was like this white Dana skirt. I think that's what it's called. I love it. And I wanted to see this one if it would be like a dupe, and it's very different. It's very white. The one I have is more of like an off-white, but other than that, I mean, it doesn't fit me. This is an extra small, and I'm more of like a small, I think, because yeah, and it just says fashion something. I can't even read it, but I'll have it linked. It is cute, it just didn't fit me, but I already have one like this, but I just wanted to see what this one would look like. Got this skirt, which it's really cute too, but it fits weird. Like, it definitely closes on me, but I hate the material of this. I feel like it makes it look really like old and like, I don't know, it's like this kind of material. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like this sort of knit material. I don't like it though, but I just wanted to show it because it does look cute. So if you're gonna buy it just for like a picture, that would be nice, but I wouldn't definitely keep it. So I'm gonna return this as well because I don't love how it fits and the texture of the skirt. I don't know, it's just not it, especially in the summer. I feel like it's gonna be really hot and I don't want to wear something like that. So those are the things that I got on Amazon. I love the sarongs. I love the pink one, and I forgot to show one last thing. So I also got this little top. I haven't figured out how to put it on because it's very confusing, but I love the color. It's like this orange color. It's more like a burnt orange. I feel like it's very bright on camera, but my lighting is doing that. So I'm gonna try and figure out how to put it on, but it's really, really cute. Like, I really do like it. I can't figure it out right now, but basically those two kind of strap around. So that's that. I think the most expensive one in here is probably like 20 something dollars for both the top and the bottom, because nowadays, you guys know, swimsuits are so expensive. Like, I swear every single ad that I keep getting on Instagram for swimsuits and whatnot, it's like $80 for the top, $80 for the bottom. Like, how is a swimsuit more than jeans? I don't know. But yeah, I love that Amazon has so many inexpensive ones. Like, all of this together was like, I think 200 something dollars, or yeah, I think so. I also got a few other things, but this is like the clothing. But yeah, it was like pretty inexpensive. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll have everything linked down below. Oh, I actually saw a girl on TikTok show this one, and I thought it was really cute. Like, the color contrast and everything, I thought it was so pretty, so I was like, I have to get it. And it definitely reminds me of something that I've seen on like I think it's White Fox Boutique. I've never actually shopped there, but I always see they have cute stuff. But it kind of reminds me of one that they have on their website. I don't know what it's called, but this is what it looks like. I love how this fits. It is pretty like small, but it fits so nicely. Like, I don't know how to explain it. I love the top. I love how it fits. I feel like they all look very similar, but they fit very differently. So yeah, and those are the colors. It's like yellow, blue, and purple, which I would never think to like make this kind of color combination, but it looks really cute on. And yeah, that's what the bottom looks like. So this is the last one that I forgot to mention.